Have you blocked someone on Instagram and now want to reverse it? This video is going to show you how to do just that in a couple of easy steps. Whether it's a friend, family member, or someone you're reconnecting with, fixing this is super simple. We will open the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android device, and you'll want to make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Let's go over to our profile page by clicking here, and then we'll access our Instagram settings page by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines which are in the top right corner. Here I am on the settings page of Instagram, and we will now use this search bar at the very top and then type blocked. You'll see this result, and let's click on it, and then I'm going to see a list of Instagram users which I had blocked. Maybe you've blocked them accidentally or on purpose, it doesn't matter. You can easily unblock them by tapping on this blue unblock option, and then you'll get this message explaining what unblocking that person will do. So if you're sure you want to unblock the person, just tap here and that is it. See you in the next video, everyone!